Setting column to true/false based on comparison of two other columns in pandas. I have the following data frame and I want to compare column value and predict it. If they match, then I want to set the value of a column provided to false. I'm having difficulty doing this. Here's my data. I want a new column to just have a true/false if value and predicted match. I tried this but to no avail. I get this error.
Basically, the low line will check each row and Boolean result will be assigned into the new column of provided as.